In this video, we'll go over how to add and customize the meeting room status widget. To get started, go to Campaigns. Open the campaign you want to edit. Next, select the zone where you want the meeting room status widget to appear. You can click directly on the zone in the layout or select the zone from the panel on the right-hand side. Once the zone is selected, click Add Widget. From the widget catalog, search for Meeting Room Status or scroll until you find it. Click the widget to open the settings. At the top, you can rename the widget so it is easier to identify in your zone content list. You can also adjust the cycle timing, which controls how the widget moves through its display screens. There is also a setting for how many minutes before a meeting the room should show as reserved. This lets the screen update before the meeting starts so people know the room is about to be in use. Next, you can choose whether to show the schedule and progress bar. The schedule shows upcoming meetings for the room. The progress bar shows how long till the screen switches to the next page. You can turn either of these options on or off depending on what you want displayed. Below that, you'll see different layouts and styles for the widget. Choose the layout that works best for your screen. Each layout can be customized with different colors, text colors, fonts, and other design options. At the bottom, you'll see the meeting schedule area. This is where you add the meetings that want to display in the widget. You can create the same schedule for every day, build a weekly schedule, or manually add individual meetings. There are also sample schedules available that you can load and edit. The samples can be a helpful starting point. You can rename the meetings, adjust the times, and customize the schedule to match your room. If you turn the progress bar off, the widget will continue cycling naturally through the available display screens. If you turn the schedule off, the widget will focus more on the current room status instead of showing the full upcoming schedule. Once your schedule, layout, and display settings are set, click Insert to Zone. The Meeting Room Status widget will now appear in the selected zone. After the widget is added, you can still make changes. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget settings. You can also duplicate the widget or delete it if needed. If the zone has more than one piece of content, you can adjust the occurrence count to control how often the widget appears. You can also change the duration to control how long it stays on screen before moving to the next item. If needed, you can enable a schedule for the widget itself. For example, you may only want the meeting room status widget to show on Monday mornings or during certain business hours. Once everything is set, click Save. If the campaign is already assigned to a live screen, click Save and Update Players so the update is pushed to your players right away. That's how to add, customize, schedule, and manage the meeting room status widget in your campaign.